Amit Shah has reached out to the allies. He's speaking to Mr. Marji and Chirag Paswan. And on the other hand, in the INDI alliance, Mr. Sharad Pawar is speaking to Chandrababu Naidu and Nitish Kumar. Naidu speaks to Modi and Shah as well. So everybody is talking to everybody. The phones are ringing, AAP sending feelers. Nitish Kumar has refused to meet Samrat. That's another development coming to fore, Meghna. Everybody trying to keep their flock together right now.
And that's going to be very interesting to watch out, because who really, and if you look at the numbers, really the two people, Swati, who do emerge to be those who are going to be very critical for the BJP to cross that majority mark, the two states that we are looking at, of course, and the two partners would be Chandrababu Naidu and, of course, let's not forget Nitish Kumar. Both of them come with very checkered pasts as well.
Absolutely. You know, their loyalty one may question, but this time around Nitish Kumar sir, ab hum nahi paltenge. That's what he said in one of the rallies. But take a look at what's happening on ground. The INDI trying to reach out to him. Amit Shah also talking to him, trying to keep the flock together. Did anybody ever imagine this? I want to quickly ask Jayam, do you ever imagine that the BJP would be looking to keep the flock together and calling up allies? They once said that we don't need those numbers from allies, but hum sabka saath mein vishwas karte hain.
No, truly, it has been a sort of shocking day for the BJP. They wouldn't have expected this sort of an outcome. However, well said that, you know, there's a little esoteric, erudite, twist that I have to the story. See, we need to look at history. 1991, the Congress comes to power. It's out of power in 96. That's the dawn of the Vajpayee era. 96 to 2004, 8 years and Vajpayee is out. 2004 Manmohan Singh era, 4 to 14, 10 years and he's out. So actually a politician should always step back and think, यार 8 to 10 years shelf life होती है, उसके बाद हमारा मॉडल बदलना चाहिए, नहीं तो पार्टी का तरीका बदलना चाहिए, गवर्नेंस का तरीका बदलना चाहिए. If you learn from history, 8 to 10 years is the actual shelf life. So ideally it shouldn't have shocked them.
Well, I'm sorry to interrupt you. Big breaking news which is coming in, Swati, and this is very interesting. The India Alliance is offering Deputy Chief Ministership to Nitish Kumar. Special status to Andhra Pradesh. This is what sources are telling Times now.
CM or Deputy PM?
PM. Deputy PM post.
Deputy PM post to Nitish Kumar. Yeah. And just as, in fact, Karan, you want to come in? That's very interesting.
Yes. I said it in jest, but little did I know that this will actually happen. I would have uttered something else. अगर पता होता कि
तो आपको सुन रहे थे.
You could have.
4 जून 2024 ये तारीख भारत का भविष्य तय करने जा रही है. 4 जून नरेंद्र मोदी हिंदुस्तान के प्रधानमंत्री नहीं रहेंगे.